Like, what got you started? Tell me your story, man.
I was given a 1 in a million opportunity, Daniel, back in August of 2000. A very good friend of mine who owned a call center here said, Richie, why don't you come down for a couple months and teach some English? Well, that barn door was open. I wasn't coming back to the States, and I worked for my friend's center for 4 years. I learned the business from the inside out, not C-level, but as an agent. And I cracked some codes. I saw what to do in order to enhance the experience, give some more dignity and empathy, and make it happen. But I got to let you know something. If it weren't for my beloved Abington Senior High School, and I'm so proud of my ghosts, I did so much stuff outside of the classroom. I was encouraged to not only be a tri-letterman, but also get involved in student government. I raised a bunch of money for the high school, and I was not an honor roll student. I wasn't that model student, but I was very loyal, and I knew where my strengths were. And even the late principal, Norman Schmidt, wrote me a college recommendation letter to get into the University of Arizona. Without that, I don't know if I would have put the ball in the end zone. I'll be forthright with you. Gotcha. So I paid forward. But I do know this, that growing up in Northeast Philadelphia, what it did was there are some individuals out there that really have vigor. We have our pride. We have our Rocky 15 rounds. But there was something about where I grew up, where the friendships were so unique. And so there was a lot of depth to it. Friends would push you, but also pick you up, and they would get you to be the best you could be. And you earned your spots on the sports team. You earned student government. You earned your friends. And so when it came to Abington, I believe in old school, really old school. And so when I come back every 5 years for my reunion and I see all of my amazing friends, and I'm very good friends with the current principal, Angelo Barrios, is just an amazing man, and so many teachers. It's something where it grounds me. It reminds me where I came from, how my journey was so long, but so short at the same time. What I did was, Daniel, I was very true to myself. I loved Spanish, so I decided to double down on my favorite class. There were a lot of opinions that were provided to me and some pressures to go to Ivy League and to study medicine and law like my family did. Mm-hmm. But maybe I'm considered, I can't say the rebel, but let's say I was the dreamer, and I knew that if I lived within a box, I wouldn't be happy. And so by doing something like this, I've been able to fulfill my own spiritual quest, my friend.
Awesome. Awesome. I love that, man. With because we're going to be deep diving and I'm going to get some gems out of you. The